Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I will show you some solutions if you do not have the music option on your Instagram story. So let's get started. For the first solution, head over to the Google Play Store. Now search up Instagram. Make sure it is updated to the latest version. Now for the second solution. First, go back to Instagram. Once you're here, click your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Then click the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and look for help. Click Report a Problem. Then click Report Problem without shaking. Then click Include and Continue. Now just type in your problem, which is the missing music option. And that's pretty much it. You just click Send right after. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.